afternoon student, welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start chapter number 12, which is related to area of circle. Okay, firstly some explanation about the circle as we have earlier discussed in 10th, but I am explaining again. As this is a circle, this is called the radius and this is called the chord, and you can draw chord here. This is called the chord and whole line that passes through center is called diameter. Chord never passes through the center. The diameter passes through the center. Okay. The next point is that which we are discussing is that this is the center O. If we have to find out the area of this shaded portion, how we will do? Firstly, what this portion is called? This is called sector of circle. Sector of circle. Okay, now next, this is smallest portion, this is the big portion, so this is called minor sector and this will be called major sector. Okay, this whole portion like as O, A, B, and I am giving name E point here. So O, A, P, B is minor segment, minor sector, and O, A, Q, B is called major sector. Okay, the formula for this is how to find the area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So what is theta? Theta is the angle of sector at which the sector is made. That angle is called angle of sector. Okay, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Then circumference of sector. Circumference of sector is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. These are the formula that we are going to discuss in this chapter. And next is segment. What is a segment? In a circle, if a chord is drawn, this is the center. If a chord is drawn, this portion is called segment. As this is the smaller portion, this is the biggest, so this is called minor segment. This portion is whole portion is called major segment. How we can find out the area of minor segment? Like join this portion. So what is this portion called? OAPB. OAPB is called sector. Okay. If I subtract a triangle from the sector, this is the sector. If I subtract triangle from it, so shaded portion remained. So formula for area of segment is equal to area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay. Now what is the area of triangle in this? Because radius are given. So area of triangle is equal to half r square sin theta. Okay, the formula for area of sector, area of triangle is equal to half r square sin theta. Theta for angle of sector. This must be given. Okay, radius they already provide us. Okay, and by this formula you can solve the other questions. Now we are going to start exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. In first question they said that the radius of two circles are given. One is 19 centimeter, second is 9 centimeter. Find the radius of biggest circle, other third circle, whose circumference is equal to sum of circumference of these two circles. Sum of circumference of these two circles. So first of all I will write the radius of first circle is equal to 9 centimeter. Radius of second circle is equal to 9 centimeter. So I let radius of third circle is equal to r. Okay, they said circumference of these two both is equal to third one. So C1 plus C2, circumference of circle 1 plus circumference of circle 2 is equal to circumference of third circle. Okay, now put the values in these. Circumference 1 formula for this is 2 pi r. So pi r, radius for first circle is r1. Radius of second circle is 2 pi r2 and radius of third is capital R, so it is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi is common from each, so 2 pi common, r1 plus r2, and here is 2 pi r. This 2 pi goes on other side and goes for division, so 2 pi cancel with 2 pi, r1 plus r2 is equal to r. So r1 is equal to 19, r2 is equal to 9, radius is equal to 28 centimeter. So radius of third circle will be 28 centimeter, as they have given radius of two circles, and find the third one whose circumference is equal to sum of these two. And second question is similarly this one question. Okay, other question you can solve by yourself. And exercise 12.2 I am telling you. First question they have given, find area of circle. Find area of circle if radius is equal to 6 centimeter and angle of sector. Angle of sector is equal to 60 degree. So how we will write it? We will write radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, theta, it means angle of sector is equal to 60 degree. So formula for this is equal to area of sector. We have to find out area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. And pi is constant value having 22 by 7. Theta is 60 degree and 360 we will put the value of radius 6 into 6 and we will got your answer. Okay, if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Thank you and have a nice day.